How to transfer your Shopify store to another account. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to transfer your Shopify store to another account. Let's get started. The process is actually very simple. First, make sure you have the email address, password, and all the necessary details ready for the new owner. You also need to be logged into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, go to the settings icon at the bottom left corner. Then, click on General, scroll down, and look for organizations and store transfers. Click Manage, and then in the group or transfer store, you need to put your email address. You just need to enter the new owner's email address, and once you fill that out, click Transfer. After you send the invite, the new owner will receive an email. They just need to click on Get Started. Log in with the provided details and accept the transfer. You will see a message saying invitation sent. Once everything's go through, if the new owner accepts, they will now have full control over the store and your account will be removed automatically. And that's it. That's how you transfer a Shopify store from one account to another. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.